Hey guys, DLCoats1 here, bringing you another update on the carnivorous Bog Gardens. So, our Capensis here has been thriving. You can see this flower stalk is practically done. A couple more flowers and then we'll go ahead and harvest the seeds from that, while our third stalk starts to bloom nicely. As you can see here as well, oops, sorry about that. As you can see here as well, lots of sticky dew, and I just actually went through and misted this, and as you can see here, the mist actually doesn't really harm the Drosera at all. You can see all that glistening bright dew perfectly on that plant, and it is thriving, it is green, it is healthy, it is loving the conditions it is in. Our Leucophila here has actually grown quite a few new traps, as has our Flava. Our Purpurea has, wow, our original. This is our Caddis Bay hybrid that we picked up at Christensen's. And yeah, it is just, wow, so many new traps. And all I've been doing is, like I said, top water misting with that little horticultural sprayer right there. And as you can see, the mist gathers here on the sides and falls in, and this has allowed it to basically digest any insects that have gone in there. And ever since I've been doing that, these pictures have just taken off. Both this Purpurea set and this little Purpurea right over here that we ended up grabbing. This one's actually starting to do really good as well. Our spatulata here has become very prolific, as you guys can see. It is just absolutely wow. Look how many flower stalks there are. Filiformis Tracy here, I'm still waiting to flower. Doesn't look like it will anytime soon, but the moss has taken off around that, as well as our Swaniana over here, which has given a nice boosting. And I do again recommend getting one of those, because that has helped my moss absolutely start thriving. Look how bushy and rich that is, especially in the color. Nice contrast against those reds. Our divisions here from our fly traps, as you can see, have absolutely started to take off. Our one that we thought was not going to do so well is starting to pick back up in color and has started getting some new traps in there. I don't know if you guys can really see it that well, but there they are. Tiny, tiny. This is definitely a B52. This is one of the ones I picked up from Walmart, and I must say this is definitely a B52. And just so you guys are aware, I'm on wide angle lens. I don't know if that's like that perspective is a great thing. I don't know if it's helping or if it's making you guys motion sick. If it is, I apologize, just let me know. One of our typicals here, I believe this is a petite dragon, is starting to flower, as well as our dente. Yes, I love the fact that that one's flowering. But yeah, all of our divisions have started to do nicely, and as you can see, like, the top watering has actually helped the moss. I've noticed it's starting to turn green, which means it's starting to come back to life and out of dormancy, and quite a few of those areas are starting to turn green. In fact, you'd see little pools of live moss starting to grow right there. As well as, again, you can tell from those two patches on this one, as well as the patch over here, that the mistings have helped. Not top waterings, just misting. Very fine mist from the horticultural sprayers. Our typicals here from the wild have also done nicely. In fact, these were just two big rhizomes when I originally grabbed them. But as you can see here, those rhizomes have split. So we've got four now. 4 healthy, large plants. So I will be returning the original 2 rhizomes back over to those lakes. Now, here's something I noticed earlier, and I'm actually so happy to see this, and it's so hard for me to see this with my normal eyes. So I'm gonna zoom this in for you guys. Oh, look at all that. Do you see what I see? We have officially gotten Capensis sprouts, and yes, there's a little springtail right there. I apologize for the shakiness. My hand is kind of hard to view at this angle. But yeah, our Capensis seeds have started to sprout in both bogs, so I am so happy about that, and pretty soon I'm gonna have to start 3D printing out some pots. I've still got to come up with a design for these, but I definitely want to create some sort of little kit for Capensis, and I want to see how they do at the local nursery by donating a few of them, and you know, seeing if, or maybe seeing if they'll do consignment potentially. But yeah, I just thought it was awesome to see those sprouts start taking off, and I can't wait till the next update to give you guys. I mean, these bogs have just done gorgeously, as you can see right there. I mean, how beautiful is that? I'm gonna be 3D printing some decorations for this as well soon. I've got a couple in mind that I'm gonna print out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think I should put in there. I've got some PETG, and I got the 3D printer up, so I can't wait to start making some stuff with that, and getting some, you know, nice decor put into here to help with the plants. Maybe I'll print some you know, like moss wall foundations. That'd be pretty cool, especially with those large patches there. Plus I can grab, you know, a couple little samples from the moss around, you know, out by the roadway and such. So I'll probably be doing that and setting up a little moss wall around here somewhere, maybe around the watering tray over there perhaps. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoy this little update. Catch you all later. Peace out.